Hello, my name is Konstantinos Pipis, and I am an electrical engineer and computer engineering working in the Hellenic electricity distribution network operator. And at the same time, I'm a lecturer at the University of Thessaly at the Department of Electrical Engineers and Computer Engineers. The electricity we consume in our homes is produced by systems of different types. Most of the production is done in what we call thermoelectric power stations, where a fossil fuel, which can be lignite, natural gas, oil, or other combustible fuels, is burned, and the thermal energy, which is released from its combustion, is converted into electricity through a series of devices and processes. Another type of a power station is the nuclear power station. The nuclear power stations use the energy released by the fission of enriched uranium and convert it into electricity, which we can, as users, as consumers, we can use. Uh, in addition to these polluting power stations, humans have also invented some ways of generating electricity from the natural elements. Thus, there are systems that convert various forms of energy found in nature and which are also renewed at a rapid rate. And this energy can be converted into electricity. The most popular renewable energy sources are wind energy, and we call the turbines used to convert this kind of energy into electricity wind turbines, and solar energy. And we can use systems such as photovoltaic systems or solar thermal power plants in order to convert it into electricity. And there are secondary renewable energy sources such as the wave energy, geothermal energy, and so on and so forth. After being generated at the various power stations, which are usually remote, the electricity is transported to cities via what we call overhead lines or underground and submarine cables. The part of the grid that carries the energy from the generation to the cities, to the entrance of the cities, is called the power transmission system. However, when it is transported through conductors or cables, there can be losses of energy, and mainly due to the very low resistance of the conductors. Humans have observed that when the voltage in these conductors is high, the energy losses are reduced. For this reason, in order to be able to transport energy over long distances with as few losses as possible, the voltage in the conductors is kept high and constitutes what we call high and extra high voltage, which can be 400, 150, or 66 kilovolts, depending on the power system of each country. Before the energy enters the cities, the electricity reaches the so-called substations, where the voltage is downgraded to lower levels to be routed to the various consumers within the city. This voltage is called medium voltage, which is mainly 20 kilovolts, and some power systems, some distribution systems have also different voltages. From there, again, via overhead or underground conductors and cables, it is distributed to the consumers inside the city. Most consumers, especially the residential consumers, use low voltage, which is 230 voltage in Europe. So before the electricity is driven to homes, it is further reduced to these levels. The network that carries the power from the entrance of the cities to the medium and low voltage consumers is called the electricity distribution network. Nowadays, with the installation of small power plants in homes, such as rooftop photovoltaic systems or small wind turbines, the energy output can be distributed directly to the distribution network without being transported long distances before being consumed.